Initiating simulation 040. The glitch in the crowd. July 1518. Strasbourg. A woman named Frau Troffea steps into the street and begins to dance. There is no music. She isn't smiling. She dances for 6 days straight. Her feet are bloody. She collapses from exhaustion, wakes up, and dances again. But then, the glitch spreads. Within a week, 34 others join her. Within a month, 400 people are dancing uncontrollably in the July heat. They aren't having fun, they are screaming in pain, they are begging for mercy. But their legs won't stop moving. They dance until they die of heart attacks and strokes. Physicians blamed hot blood. Their prescription? More dancing. They built a stage and hired musicians, thinking they could dance the fever out. It was a fatal mistake. The music only spread the infection. This was mass psychogenic illness, a software virus jumping from brain to brain via mirror neurons. Stress-induced psychosis. When reality gets too hard, the human brain breaks. And when one brain breaks loud enough, it shatters the others nearby. We think we are smarter now, but look at the internet. Look at the trends. We are still a hive mind waiting for a signal. Simulation. Result? The crowd is the virus. Don't join in. End log.